The G-Class features a number of advanced features to help you see and be seen. Along with automatic light-sensing bi-xenon headlamps and new LED daytime running lamps, standard equipment includes heated washers for both the windshield and headlamps, rain-sensing front wipers, and a rear window wiper that activates automatically when you shift to reverse while the front wipers are on. When traveling on multi-lane roadways, new Blind Spot Assist lets you know when there's a vehicle next to you with a lighted icon in the side mirror. Should you signal for a lane change while a vehicle is detected, a warning tone sounds. When you're negotiating tight spaces at low speeds, new Parktronic uses ultrasonic sensors in the front and rear bumpers. Audio-visual displays in the cabin help you sense the proximity of detected objects and obstacles. And a rear-view camera shows you a live color view of the area immediately behind the G-Class when you're backing up.